Hope you're enjoying the daily check-ins that we've been giving you over our 14-day isolation package. Behind me is one of our Clearwater aluminium boats. You may or may not know that Whittley build a range of aluminium boats, and they complement our larger cruiser range. They start at the 3.89 metres with the 389 Kingfisher LX and move up to the flagship 500 Caballero, which is behind me, powered by an F70 Yamaha. Got some specials running on these particular package. This normal package is 32,999. It is available for a limited time strictly for 29,999. Package comes standard with nav lights, anchor lights, two-tone hull painted, vinyl wrap down the side, plumbed up light bait tank, automatic bilge pumps, nav lights, anchor lights, fiberglass dashboards and fiberglass model bowsprit. There's also a number of smaller models in the Clearwater aluminium range. We've got the 420 Little Ripper wide body and the 399 wide body. This particular 399 wide body comes standard fully painted, high quality Dumbia trailer and an F25 Yamaha. Full length floors, it's a great little bay boat. It's also a great boat for up on the lakes and that sort of stuff. Generally this is 12,999. We've got these on special at $9,999. Please feel free to give Alan Whittley a call at Whittley Victoria Sales 0421 170 192. We hope you're enjoying your isolation. Look forward to getting on the water together soon.